Alright, here we have a 80 kilowatt Onan generator. This is powered by the 6-cylinder turbo diesel Cummins. This unit only has 400 hours on it, and it's been recently serviced. There's fresh paint on here, new fluids, new battery, new radiator, and it's fully operational. It goes right up to the 80 kilowatts. And you can see we have it connected to the load bank, and we will do a load test after we do a little walk around here. So come over here. Here's the control center. This generation is a very simple unit. There's no emissions. There's no computer touchscreen to go bad. It's just very simple and reliable. Alright, so we'll go keep working our way around here. Here we see the engine mated to the generator head. And as you can see up there, it's very simple exhaust setup. There's just the turbo going right into the muffler, which is inside of the enclosure. There's a new radiator in here, new radiator hoses, fresh oil filter, new battery. And it is sitting on a basin tank, so there's a 100-gallon fuel tank in the bottom of the enclosure. There's the radiator. There's the injection pump. It's a mechanical governed injection pump, so there's no electronic regulator or anything. Go to the next one. Here's the fuel fill for the basin tank. Alright, so we'll turn it on, and then we will start loading it 6 kilowatts at a time per phase. So when we do 4 per phase, that'll get us up to 72 kilowatts, I believe. All right, I'll go ahead and turn it on.